Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem is the last theorem in the concept of probability. Let's understand it. Suppose a company is ready to launch a new product and likes to ascertain the probability that it will be a success in the market. From the past data, the company knows the probabilities that a product will be a success, a disaster, or neither of them. The company also knows the probability of a favorable outcome from a market research survey in each of the three cases. The company would now like to know the revised probabilities of each outcome when the market research survey has projected a favorable outcome. Bayes' theorem is useful in this case. The theorem states that, suppose A1, A2, Aj up to An are n mutually exclusive and totally exclusive events with known probabilities. Suppose B is another event and probability of B and Aj where j equals 1 to n are known. Then, Bayes' theorem is as shown. Probability of Ak and B is therefore the ratio of the simultaneous probability of Ak and B to the probability of B. In other words, it is the fraction of times when Ak also occurs whenever B occurs. Probability of A1, probability of A2, probability of Aj, until probability of An are called prior probabilities. Probability of A2b, probability of Ajb, until probability of Anb are called posterior probabilities. Consider three events A1, A2, and A3 with probabilities 0.6, 0.1, and 0.3, respectively. Suppose B is another event and probability of BA1, probability of BA2, and probability of BA3 are 0.75, 0.1, and 0.4 respectively. Then, we use the formula and get the following values. Probability of A1b is equal to 0.45 by 0.58, which is 0.78. Probability of A2b is equal to 0.01 by 0.58, which is 0.02. Probability of A3b is equal to 0.12 by 0.58, which is 0.21. PR, A3b, equals 0.12 divided by 0.58 is equal to 0.21. With A1, A2, and A3 denoting the events of the product being a hit, a disaster, or neither of them, and B denoting the event of the market survey result being favorable, the prior probabilities are 0.6, 0.1, and 0.3, respectively. The posterior probabilities are 0.78, 0.02, and 0.21, respectively. Thus, the market research survey improves the results and serves as a guide for decision-making.